how to connect Facebook accounts to, Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can connect Facebook accounts to, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log into your account just like I've done here. Then once you're on the home page, move to the left side of the screen, the bottom left side to be precise, and click on your settings icon. And so once you're on your settings page, you can see some options like language, connect to save progress. That's our focus. And so once you can see that, just go ahead and click connect with Facebook, and then you'll be redirected to this page. So once you'll be redirected to the Facebook page where you'll be asked to log in. And so once you log in, you'll be able to connect your Facebook account to your account. It is that simple, all right? So this is how you can connect your Facebook account to your account. So go ahead and try it out today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.